Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, today we discuss question paper of Combine Geoscientist exam paper 2 for Geology and Hydrogeology part. Okay, this is a provisional answer key. The official answer key is not come yet. Okay, without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see question number 1. Which one of the following statement regarding fabric is not correct? What is asked in this question? Which statement regarding fabric is wrong? Let's see the option. Option A, linear fabric is characterized by elongated element. This is right. Without a prefer orientation. This is wrong because linear fabric always show a prefer orientation. Next, planar fabric contain tabular or platy minerals or flat objects with common orientation. This is right. Random fabric. It is known from its name that it does not show any prefer orientation. So this is also right. Next, sedimentary and magmatic fabric are called primary fabric. This is also right because primary fabric created during original formation of the rock. The right answer is option A. Question number 2. Fault in which displacement is essentially parallel to the strike of the fault is. Here indirectly asked about strike slip fault. Given option are detachment fault, wedge fault, peripheral fault, apparent normal fault. Right answer is option B, wedge fault, because it is the different name of strike slip fault. Peripheral fault, it is reverse fault or normal fault. It is also looking like a normal fault. Detachment fault a low angle fault. The right answer hoga wedge fault. Number 3. Consider the following statement regarding Ramsey classification of the fault. Here is given 3 statements regarding Ramsey classification. First one, fault can be classified using 3 geometric parameters which are defined relative to the given pair of parallel lines that are tangent to inner and outer surface of the folded layer. This is right. Next, the orthogonal thickness T alpha is the perpendicular distance between 2 parallel tangents. This is right. The axial trace thickness T alpha is the distance between the 2 tangential measures perpendicular to the axial surface. This is wrong because not perpendicular, this is parallel. Right answer is option C, 1 and 2 only. Question number 4. The diagram on a Cartesian plane in which the horizontal and vertical axes represent the normal stress and shear stress respectively that act on a plane through a point is called. Here is given 2 terms, normal stress and shear stress. Okay, what do we use the terms in more diagram? Right answer is option A. But phase diagram this is not used. QFF and TAS this is used for igneous classification. So this is wrong. Next, question number 5. Consider the following statement regarding type of fracture classified on the basis of relative motion that occur across the fracture surface during its formation. 3 statements are given. Statement 1. The relative motion during propagation in extension fracture is perpendicular to the fracture wall. This is right. Next, the relative motion during propagation in shear fracture is parallel to the fracture surface. This is also right. Next, the oblique extension fracture has component of displacement both perpendicular and parallel to the fracture surface. This is also right. The right answer is option D, both 1, 2 and 3. Question number 6. Deformation band in which mechanical grain breaking is significant are called. Here is the definition of cataclysmic band. Right answer is option A, cataclysmic band. Next, question number 7. Which one of the following statement regarding outcrop pattern of horizontal strata is not correct? Let's see the option. The width of outcrop of a bed of uniform thickness is greatest where slope is gentle. This is right. B. The width of outcrop of a horizontal bed depends upon the thickness of the bed and upon the topography. This is right. Option C. The outcrop of the top or the bottom of a horizontal bed follows the topographic contour. This is right. The width of outcrop of a bed of a uniform thickness is maximum where the slope is steep. This is wrong because there should be minimum. Okay, the right answer is option D. This is not correct. Question number 8. Consider the following related to range of physical property of injected rock in case of dash pit. Let's see the option. Solid rocks that is thoroughly break up and fracture with some liquid in fracture. This is wrong. Next, option 2. A loose aggregate of particles buoyed up by gases of liquids that could be derived from the either magmatic or sedimentary sources. This is right. Option 3. Solid rock which may have a small percentage of pore space and pore liquid. This is incorrect. Right one is option C, 2 only. 2 is correct. Next, question number 9. Consider the following statement. Here is given two statements. Statement 1. Stereographic projection differ from orthographic projection in a fundamental way. This is right. Next, statement 2. Orthographic projection preserves spatial relation among structures, but stereographic projection display geometric and orientation of lines and planes without regard to spatial relation. This is also right. Here, statement 2 is correct explanation for statement 1. The right answer is option A. Question number 10. What will be the Miller indices of the crystal faces given basis parameter and ask the Miller indices? Okay, let's calculate by given data. Infinity, 1, infinity. Then take its reciprocal. Is 0, 1, 0. Next, what will be the relationship between interfacial angle of similar faces of two olivine crystals separated in space and time? Right answer is option A, that is same. The next, which one of the following is a phosphate mineral? Right answer is option A, apatite. Because topaz is a silicate mineral, gypsum is a sulfate mineral and corundum is a rock forming mineral. Right answer is option A. Next, how many oxygen atoms in each SiO4 tetrahedra are shared in double chain silicates? Right answer is option C, because one tetrahedra share 3 and another share 2 oxygen. Number 12. In a crystallography, how many plane lattice are possible? Here is asked plane lattice. But we know in crystallography how many Bravais lattice are present? 14. But here is asked in plane lattice, means in 2-dimensional way. This is 3-dimensional. In 2-dimensional way there is 5 lattice. Which one of the following feldspar composition does not occur naturally? Right answer is option A, orthoclase 56 and anorthite 44. Question number 16. In the Mg2SiO4 SiO2 binary phase diagram, when the liquid reaches at point X at 1557 degrees centigrade, it begins to react with a crystal of forsterite and to form anstetite, and the liquid remain at point X until the anstetite forming reaction has gone to the completion. The point is called X. Right answer is option B, peritectic point. Because we know in a peritectic point on a phase diagram where reaction takes place between a previously precipitated phase and the liquid to produce a new solid. So here is the right explanation. The right answer is option B, peritectic point. Next, which one of the following rocks show high LIL HFS subduction signature? So what is asked in this question? That high LIL and HFS pattern recognized as a distinctive features of subduction related magma. The right answer is option B, lamphorite, because this is derived from volcanic rock. Next question, question number 19. Which one of the following chemical system is closest to the composition of cell? So we know cell contain SiO2, L2O3, Fe2O3 or FeO, and Ca, MgO, K, Na2O. SiO2 content 52 to 80%, Al2O3 11 to 25%, Fe2O3 and CaOMgO total 10 to 25%, and the rest K and Na. So, here main component is potassium. Using AFM diagram, we conclude that right answer is option A, because cell contain water, so ये cancel out. So, option D cancel out. From these three options, this is also cancel out, because here is no K2O, okay. Here is Na2O and K2O, but more important is potassium or K2O. Right answer is option A. To question number 17. Consider the following geochemical reservoir. Here is a figure given and asked which code is correct. Okay. It will be a little long to understand this. So, see in short that this is a stable. In this direction, stable minerals are formed because this is stable and this is radioactive. The stable minerals are formed in depleted mantle, and this is stable and this is radioactive. This is radioactive. So, we conclude in this direction continental crust is formed, but in this direction enriched mineral increases or enrichment increases. So, this is 1, this is 2, this is depleted mantle. Right answer is option B, A1, B3, C2, D4. Next question number 20. Which one of the following characteristic minerals formed due to shock metamorphism and normally not present on the earth? So, right answer is option B, stishovite, because in shock metamorphism, by which materials are permanently changed as a result or leads to formation of the high pressure polymer of various minerals. So, this is also present in the earth, this is also, so this is not. The next question number 21. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So, in list 1 given thermal metamorphism, regional metamorphism, dynamic metamorphism, hydrothermal metamorphism. In list 2 gives myelonites, metasomatism. So, we know in thermal metamorphism the main factor is temperature. Here is temperature and pressure, and here is only pressure, and here is main factor is liquid. So, by thermal metamorphism hornfels are formed. In regional metamorphism schistosity develop, but in dynamic metamorphism or in high pressure myelonites are formed. In hydrothermal metamorphism metasomatism occur. The right answer is option B, A3, B4, C1, D2. Okay. Next question number 22. Match the list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answer using the code given. In list 1, genus structure given nisos occurred, organ structure. So 1, 3. Next, lineation, silicon side, striation, foliation, foliation to regular layering on a centimeter of a small scale, and slaty cleavage rest 1. So, this is the right answer, A3, B1, C4, D2. Question number 23. Helitic fold are indicator of post kinematic porphyroblast growth because of what? We know that in helitic fold, in post kinematic, what happened? That progressively more intense folding of SI from core to rim. So, right answer is option A, SI is folding. Question number 24. During compression, one stress direction is dominant, which produce the deformation features known as option A, fold or flattening. Next, deformation through change of shape of grain by crystal plasticity is known as, here is the definition of dislocation creep. Right answer is option A, dislocation creep. Next, question number 28. Which one of the following minerals commonly present as a characteristic assemblage of amphibolite facies of mafic rock? So we know in amphibolite facies the mineral assemblages are hornblende, this is right, plagioclase right, garnet right, quartz right. Okay, the right answer is option A. Question number 26. Which facies represent the essential assemblage of amphasite, garnet, kyanite? So this is given the essential mineral assemblage and asked belongs to which species? Option A, eclogite species, option B, blue schist, option C, granulite, option D, amphibolite. Right answer is option C. Here the mineral assemblages are amphasite, garnet, kyanite, quartz, hornblende, geosites. And option B, blue schist, in this species main mineral assemblages are glaucophene, leuconite, chloride, epitode, amphasite. And in granulite species, garnet, clinopyroxene, sillimanite, K feldspar are found. In amphibolite, staurolite, hornblende, plagioclase, garnet, phosphorite are found. Next one. Question number 29. Which one of the following represents the correct sequence of high pressure temperature metamorphic species series? Okay. Right answer is option B, because zeolite species form in low pressure or low temperature, whereas eclogite form in high pressure and high temperature region. And amphibolite medium, this is also medium. The right answer is option B. So this is the correct sequence. Next one, blue schist facies rocks are formed at unusually high pressure and low temperature condition in which occur at, right answer is option C, both subduction zone and collision zone. Next, the medium pressure temperature series is also known as, we know in medium pressure temperature prehenite and blue schist facies are formed, but this is called Paravian species series. This is formed in medium pressure temperature. Question number 31. A common mistake in the study of the earth process is to equate uniformitarianism with days. We know this is with actualism. Right answer is option A. Next one. The process of differentiation explains low concentration of which one of the following elements near the earth's surface? Near the earth's surface means what formation found? We found chromium by the process of differentiation. Next, question number 35. Canada Hudson Bay has gradually uplifted 300 meter in last 8,000 years due to what? This question is a bit tricky, but the given time period we concluded that at the time of that time period post glaciation or sea level increases, or the Hudson Bay is covered with ice sheet and at that time period the ice sheet melted. So at that result what happened? Maybe isostatic adjustment occur, that's why the bay uplifted by 300 meters. Right answer is option B, isostatic adjustment. Next, question number 36. Consider the following statement regarding paleomagnetic variation across the mid-oceanic ridges. Here is given three statements. Statement 1. Symmetrical magnetic intensity pattern is recorded in ocean floor rocks across the ridge. This is right. Statement 2. The alternating magnetic strips mirror on opposite side of the ridges axis are created by basaltic magma during the time of normal and reverse polarity. This is also right. Next statement. Reversal and magnetic field have occurred many times during the geological past. This is also right. Are simultaneously worldwide. This is also right. Right answer is option D is right. 1, 2, 3. Question number 33. Water vapor constitutes what percentage of all volcanic gases? Right one is option D, 50 to 80%. Next, which one of the following is not related to volcanic and plutonic landform? Given option are Lapolith, Cowley, Scoriac and Flatiron. Right answer is option D, Flatiron. This is not related to volcanic or plutonic landform. This is also related, this is also related, this is related. Number 37. Which one of the following is the correct idealized situation of stage in the evolution of crust topography in a temperate region? The right answer is option B, nearly flat, first nearly flat, then low and conical knoll and maximum release. Right answer is option B. Question number 39. The type of dune having characteristic intermediate between a transverse dune and a star dune. So, this right answer is option B, linear dune. A linear dune formation between a transverse dune and a star dune. A linear dune formed between transverse dune and a star dune. Next one, question number 40. Which one of the following pairs regarding type of glacier and common characteristic is not correctly matched? Option A, cirque is bowl shaped depression. This is right. Fissure submerged coastal valley. This is right. Ice shelf coastal embayment. This is right. Ice field domal shaft. This is wrong. The right answer is option D. Number 38. Consider the following statement regarding morphometric property of stream network and drainage basin. Given statements are: statement 1, drainage density is the mean length of stream channel per unit area. This is wrong. This is not the actual formula. Next, statement 2, stream frequency is the number of stream segment per unit area. This is right. Basin relief is the mean upslope distance from channel to watershed. This is wrong. Right answer is option D, 2 only. Next, question number 41. Match list 1 with list 2. Select the correct answer using the code given below the list. In list 1 given, we know alkyd form in humid to subhumid tropical, calcrid form in semi-arid, and gypscrid form in very arid, and silcrid form in humid and arid tropical. Right answer is option B, A1, B3, C2 and D4. Question number 42. Which one of the following terms best describe the process of removal and metal ion from solids by binding with organic acids to form soluble organic metal complexes? Right one is option D, chelation. This is the chelation definition. 43. Which one of the following statement regarding deformation is not correct? Given option are: if a stress is withdrawn, the body return to its original shape. This is right. And size, then the deformation is called elastic. This is right. Next, if the elastic limit is exceeded, the body do not return to its original shape and size. This is right. Ductile substance are those that undergoes a large plastic deformation before rupture. This is also right. Next, in case of plastic deformation, the stress does not exceed elastic limit. This is wrong. Stress may exceed the elastic limit. The right answer is option D. Next, question number 45. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given. What is the first symbol for? This is for horizontal foliation with horizontal lineation trending north to 45 degree west. Okay. Second symbol for vertical lineation. This is for vertical lineation. And third one is for horizontal lineation. And last one, this is for horizontal joint. Next, question number 44. Consider the following statement regarding type of homogeneous deformation. Given statement are: statement 1, constriction is a pure triaxial strain that deform a cube of material into an elongated rectangular prism for which one dimension of the cube is lengthened and another two dimensions are shortened. This is right. Next, uniform dilation is a pure volumetric strain with change in the body shape. This is wrong. And statement 3, flattening is a pure uniaxial strain. This is wrong. That perform cube material. Yeah, this is wrong. Right answer is option B, 1 only. Next, question number 46. Which type of chemical bond is found between Si and O tetrahedra SiO4? Right answer is option C, 50% ionic and 50% covalent bond. Next one, Si in 6-fold coordination in which one of the following polymer of silica? Right one is option D, stishovite. Next, olivine does not show cleavage. Consider the following possible reason for this. For this, the given statement are bond strength is about equal in all directions. This is right. SiO2 tetrahedra is isolated. This is wrong. There is no bridging oxygen. This is wrong. Right answer is option A, 1 only. Question number 48. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. In list 1 given silicate class, and here is the example of these minerals. A. Sorosilicates. The example of this mineral is epidote. Next, cyclosilicate, benitoite, inosilicate. This is spodumene. Next, phyllosilicate, kaolinite. Right answer is option B, A3, B1, C4 and D2. Next, which mineral is distinguished from the pyroxene by its two set of cleavage at angle of approximately 56 degree and 124 degree? Right answer is option A, hornblende. Based on which main physical properties muscovite and biotite can be distinguished? By color they differ. So, right answer is option B. Next question number 52. Which one of the following basaltic magma with low K2O content originate close to Benioff zone? Which basaltic magma find in Benioff zone? जो कि low K2O content. Right answer is option D, thiolite and island are found in Benioff zone. Next question number 54. Which one of the following ultramafic rock represents undepleted fertile mantle? Right one is option D, laterite. Next one, question number 53. Match the list 1 with list 2 for polymerized SiAl rich melt and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. In list 1 given non-bridging ion. We know non-bridging ion is Si, bridging ion is O, and network modifying ion is Mg, and network forming ion is OH. The right answer is option A, A4, B1, C3, D2. Next one, question number 55. Which one of the following rock type does not come under the IUGS classification? So is option C, dolerite. Dolerite IUGS classification में नहीं आता है. Next one, question number 56. Clinopyroxene bearing nephelinite is called. Right answer is option B, zeolite. Next question number 57. Alkali feldspar rich metasomatic rock associated with carbonatite is known as phenite. Right answer is option D. Next, which one of the following crystal growth mechanism can be explained by Fick law? By Fick law, this is defined or explain the diffusion control growth. Right answer is option D. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given. So, here is the list 1 and here is the list 2. List 1, seal. We know seal is a concordant tabular body. So, A is 2. Next, lapholith. This is concordant pluton intrusive into structural basin. Batholith is a tabular pluton with exposed area greater than 100 km square. And the next, concede is raised 1. Concede is raised 1 inward dipping nest of concentric cone. The right answer is option C. Next, this is the last one. Which one of the following are directly controlled by the cooling rate of magma? Given statements are rate of crystal growth, this is right. Rate of nucleation, this is also right. Diffusion rate, right. Degree of undercooling of magma, this is also right. The right answer is option D, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are right. So, this is the part 1 of this video, and the rest 60 question we cover in part 2 of the video. So, thanks for watching.